Take a look at the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced, it drives quite comfortably, and comes with a lot of features. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, meets federal emissions requirements. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.